Acne scars, aware. Hyperpigmentation, aware. It's gone. Hey guys, it's your girl IbbyInspired. I am so happy to be back. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you guys are being healthy. All of that good stuff. As you guys can tell by today's title, today I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on how to cover your acne scars in 10 minutes. In my last video, I did a tutorial to show you guys how to cover acne scars and all the things I used, but it literally took me about an hour and a half to get that completed. Yes, an hour and a half. Now, I know a lot of you guys don't have a lot of time. Some of you guys don't have a lot of patience. Some of you guys don't even want to use that many products on your face. Some of you guys have friends that are calling you and saying, hey, I need you to come out in 10 minutes. Will you be ready in 10 minutes? And you don't want to follow all those steps to cover your acne scars. Sometimes you just want to put on your face and go. I understand, guys. I literally go through it all the time. So I wanted to show you guys today how to accomplish a flawless look, how to cover your acne scars. Again, you guys, acne scars meaning hyperpigmentation, deep acne scars, wrinkles and fine lines and all those things. I wanted to show you guys how to cover those things up on your face in 10 minutes. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I accomplish this flawless look in 10 minutes, go ahead, subscribe to the IbbyInspired fam bam. Come join the family. Come join the family. Let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I'm the realest. No. So seriously, okay, I'm being serious now. First things first, and I am going to be showing you guys what I do from the very beginning. So my face is bare, doesn't even have any skin treatment on it. So I am using the Cinema Secrets Pro Cosmetics. This is gentle cleansing water. So this is what I have been using. Almost out. I'm actually getting ready to head over to Sephora and I'm gonna go get some new toners. So you guys, if you recommend any facial toners, please leave that down below. I need some good facial toners. Don't forget that neck, honey. Yes, that dry off. Ooh. Now we're gonna go in with our hyaluronic acid from the Inkey list. So this is what that looks like, you guys. I don't know if this brand is new or not, but what I do know is that it is very, very, very affordable. So I definitely recommend looking into that. You see how that works? You give me recommendations, I give you recommendations. We here, we see each other, we see each other. Tap, tap, tap in. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my Kate Somerville Delicate Recovery Cream. Looks like this. And with this recovery cream, it's very, very thick, very, very moisturizing, just the way I like it. So I just need a little bit. I don't want my skin to look too oily when I put on my makeup. And last step for skincare, I'm using the Daily UV Defense Sunscreen from Innisfree. So this is what this looks like. I've been using it for a couple of months now. I like it because it doesn't leave a white cast, nor is it oily. So I also just tap that in. And you guys, it's very important to tap products into your skin, especially if you have these deep acne scars such as myself, because you want the treatment to go into your acne scars, right? You don't want it to sit on top of your acne scars. You want it to go in. So just make sure you are always tapping it in. All right. So now time for the actual makeup. First thing, you guys already know, the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. It's my baby. So you guys, I mentioned this so much. I have so many other primers, but this is just the primer that works for deep acne scarred skin. This is the primer that has changed my life. And although you can still see a little bit of acne scars still coming through, it really does make that difference. You can really see the difference. So hello Tarte, like, if you need a spokesperson, here I am. Okay, once again, tapping in your face with my face, just with primer on. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am in the shade Deep. Yes, I do not have foundation on, and I do not use liquid foundation when I do this quick makeup look. The liquid foundation takes a lot of time and a lot of effort to blend, and again, the whole point of this is to have our makeup fast, efficient, so we can put it on and go. We can put it on and do what we need to do. So I just take that concealer and I do a little dab to the left, a little dab to the right. That's it, guys. I have this beauty sponge, a Tarte beauty sponge. I think this is the only beauty sponge that they sell at Sephora. That's Tarte, at least. I don't know. I think so. I don't know. But I use this, and you can take your favorite beauty blender, beauty sponge, whatever, and I blend under the eye. And you guys, I just recently added this in to this makeup quick look, and it really does make the difference. So it just brightens up the eye, it gives your face dimension. Do you guys see? You see that? So of course everything needs to be, it's a little bit of a mess right now, but you can definitely tell the difference. So this is what I'm looking like now, and with the excess product, I usually blend on my forehead, not too much, and just a little bit on my nose. Shabuyas. I go right into my powder foundation. So this is where the magic happens. So this is my NW48 Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. Very great for oily skin. If your skin is a little bit more dry, would I recommend it? Maybe not. I know my little sister has really dry skin. She used this and it made her skin break out. But this, you guys, this this foundation, this powder foundation, really does cover everything. When I first started makeup, this was like my first ever makeup product. I don't know if you guys remember like your first ever makeup product, but I remember going to the mall, and at the time they only had NW45 because NW45, they used that for like all the dark skinned girls, but they have NW48 now, thankfully. And I literally didn't have any primer on, didn't have any moisturizer on, nothing like that. I literally just had a brush and I had the powder and I just put it on my face. But this is a staple. This is something that I will use for the rest of my life because, as you can see, do you guys see that? The powder works. The powder is full coverage. It doesn't feel heavy, and you don't need any products with it. But if you really wanted to use this and walk out the door, like if you literally only had 2 minutes, you can literally do that. And as you can see, boom, bam, bam, bada bop bop, boom. Acne scars aware, hyperpigmentation aware, it's gone. So I use this Saharian blush volume 1 palette from Juvia's Place, and I use a blush, and then I also use a highlighter. This is from Lavish. This is the pencil brush, and it's a very pointy, small, defined pencil brush. I take Lila, I take this really pretty gold shade here, and I point my brush just like this, and I put a little bit on my nose, and then a little bit on the bridge of my nose. So the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, and then I blend it with my finger, and it gives me like this fake quick contour without actually having to do all the sides and blend in and all that stuff. And my acne scars are on my cheeks, so what I do is I take a blush, and I mentioned this in my last video. A darker brush is usually more shadowed, so it will hide your acne scars. So I take something dark like this, Neo, take my blush brush, and then I put it on my face. And so that in a way is camouflaging my acne scars as well. My brows have been pretty thick, on the thicker side lately, but if I need to, I'll go ahead and fill it in a little bit where it's a little sparse and where there are little spaces in there, but not really. I really don't care for it much. I mean, it's fine, whatever. My last two steps, and yes, 2 steps, that's how fast and easy it is mascara and your lips. Mascara, I realized at first I didn't use it when I did this quick makeup look, but I realized that it really does make the difference. So I use Damn Girl by Too Faced, and it makes your lashes literally look like falsies. Then I'm using the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, and this is in Grapefruit. So this is not a lipstick, it is not a lip gloss, it's a balm. Makes your lips look bomb, okay? Lips. Look at the lips. We are almost ready to go. Our last step will be the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Yes, it's not nighttime, it's daytime, but I love this spray. Ooh, okay, yeah. Open my eyes too soon. So this is my quick 10-minute makeup look with acne scars. What do you guys think? Unclockable, sis. These products that I used in today's tutorial really did cover my acne scars. You guys, the camera doesn't lie, okay? The camera doesn't lie. If anything, it shows you more than what it needs to. But as you guys can see, my acne scars, hyperpigmentation, everything has disappeared, and I was able to accomplish this look in 10 minutes. If you guys want to see more tutorials like this, please let me know in the comments down below. You guys were so supportive and so helpful in my last video. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the IbbyInspired Fam Bam, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.